Make sure you pay attention to this video so you can learn how to win my old Acuity Esco shift knob that'll send out to you absolutely free. Deal right now, we gotta fit up Alexander's SUV with an Only Lopes air freshener. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are checking out the new wheels for the BRZ. We're gonna mount the tires and test fit them and see how they're sitting. I am so hyped. Before we get them, let's grab a coffee because I definitely need one. More air fresheners and stickers going out. You guys have been absolutely amazing with the support. Keep it up, guys. I definitely really appreciate it. I'm so excited to show off these wheels. If you watched the last video, you guys will know what wheels they already are, but we're gonna put tires on today and probably test fit them to see how they're doing. Like I said, if you wanna win that shift knob, stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll give you a question. Whoever answers it first in the comments, I will ship that out to you wherever you are for free. Man, the myth, the legend, Rick. God damn, these look nice. God damn. So check it out, guys. It is a Work-O-Motion T7R2P in a gunmetal finish, 18x9 plus 38 with a 5x100. I'm super hyped to get these on. Let's get the tires on and let's see if we can test fit them. So if you guys saw last time, we definitely needed some spacers to clear the front Brembos. So I'm gonna take these with me. They're 5mm. Let's see if we can make 5mm work. If not, 6mm is the magic number, and the problem with 6mm is we probably have to extend studs. For everyone wondering, I already got the rear calipers, the rear Brembos. They are dropped off at Fiat Customs to get powder coated to match the front. So we're gonna fix that brake bias. This is Garage 16. This is what I'm talking about when I say use discount code LOPES5 to save 5%. We have a lot in stock. Check us out. Use discount code LOPES5 across the entire store to save 5% off your next purchase. All right, so now we're gonna head over to 13 Motorsports. They're gonna mount my tires and wheels up for me, or mount the tires to the wheels up for me. We'll check out the guys over there. They do a lot of cool stuff, especially with BRZs. I'm pretty sure they have a GR86. Let's go check them out. I will be using the pre-existing Pilot Sport 4s that came on the car on these wheels. I believe they're 215/40/18, so we're definitely gonna have some stretch, I believe, and we will definitely have some Hot Boy wheels set up for a little while. I've never really done a stancy type of car. I'm not gonna say it's stance, just because I'm not gonna really stance, but like, we'll definitely have some camber and some tight fitment. The guys who are nice enough to let me check out the GR86. Check it out, guys. 13 Motorsports is up with the trends with the new BRZ and the GR. What do you guys think of the new GR86? Honestly, I think the front end looks so much better. And I apologize if it's windy. It's a very windy day. Check this thing out. This thing looks absolutely killer. Black roof, all the nice little black accents. If you had to choose the GR or the BRZ, which one would it be? I've always wanted to check out the interior of one of these just because there's slight differences with interior. Looks like they're already doing some work in here. I have a feeling some type of gauge might go in here. I like the white stitching. I'm not even gonna lie, with the white card, the white stitching looks super clean. You have the GR logo right there. And pretty much everything else looks very, very similar. Alright guys, check it out. We have the original 215/40s on here. Just a reminder, the wheels are 18/9 plus 38, and they are looking really, really good. Luke here at 13 Motorsports is absolutely killing it. Definitely got to check him out. Check his channel out. Like I said, I'll link that down below, and all the shop info. These guys here are absolutely amazing. Just enthusiasts, just like us, with a lot of knowledge and great customer service. Very, very cool. There you go, guys. Check it out. They are all done and they look absolutely amazing. I am so hyped to put these on. Big shout out to Luke and the guys here. Hey, Hamza and Luke. Amazing shop. Come check them out. Yeah, thanks. I appreciate the moral support. Thank you. I can't wait to put these things on. I'll see you guys at home. If you notice a bit of difference in the camera, I'm using the old camera for now. But we've got back home right now. We're gonna try mounting the tires and see if they clear. I got a 5mm spacer. Hopefully they clear the Brembos. If not, we have a lot of work to do to make them clear. We'll try the front and the back. I'm not gonna adjust anything today. We're just gonna put them on and get a rough idea of how it looks. Because I still have to install the rear LCAs and I might need camber bolts for the front. But let's get an idea of how it's gonna look on the car. God dang. Jesus, these look so freaking nice, guys. God damn. This is how they're looking. With a 5mm spacer, I think we might be okay. Like, look at that. We are super, super close, but I think we might just be okay. We're just gonna test fit these on, take a look at them, and see how they look. I'll get a further out shot after I put the lug nuts on and lower the car so you guys can see how it looks. God damn, they look good. Definitely, I'm a little worried about this. Might have to camber it a bit more, but we're gonna lower the car and see what the fitment's looking like. But the vision is coming together. The vision is coming together. Rear Brembos are in for paint, but just a color combo. Then with the polish or billet LCAs, guys, the vision is coming together. Holy shit, this thing looks so good. God damn. It looks so, so good. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. Black center cap working motion or silver. I'm leaning to silver because it's just cleaner. I think I'm gonna go polish or silver lug nuts too. Just keeps that really, really clean look. But the front looks like we have quite a bit of space. I can probably lower it just a bit. We have maybe 2 fingers, I would say. And then the rear, I think we're absolutely perfect. We're just tucking the top of the tire and I think we'll just clear. We might just touch a tiny bit right here, depending on the stiffening or the dampening, which is on the tightest at the moment. But shit, the car, oh my god. Oh my god. It just looks so good. Holy shit. I'm so happy. So look who's here. When's the last time you saw Fred here?
I came here because your boy Alex is gone for the weekend, so I need to show
some love.
Some love. Alex was lonely for the weekend.
I was. So check it out. I did the other side too. We're gonna go for a bit of a drive. I'll let you guys know how it is, but it looks so much better. It looks so, so good. All right, we're gonna go for a bit of a drive, see if we're rubbing. We got 2 adult males in this vehicle. So
I'm like 3 adults, but
I'm like 2 adults. So we'll see how good the suspension is. We're on the track 1 suspension right now on full dampening. So I think it's 32 weight dampening. It's fully dampened. And let's just see if we rub anything. We're pretty low. I definitely do have to lower the front about an inch, I would say, just so it can match the rear. but I was hoping that it, not hoping, but I was anticipating it to sag a bit, but it has not. So far, no rubs, no nothing. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. Just want to make sure we're not hitting any fenders or quarters, especially the quarters, because the quarters are quite tricky. So once again, just a reminder to all you guys, 18 by 9 plus 38. I'll get lots of questions about wheel fitment like I have in the past. So 18 by 9, write it in your notebooks, plus 38, 5 by 100. Tires, 215, 40, 18s. We're getting no rubbing, no nothing. We're hitting a couple bumps. I think I fully turned right, fully turned left. I was more concerned for the rears, and we're not getting anything in the rears, which is really nice. Decent sized bump there. I'm almost trying to hit bumps, like, that's nice. All right, guys, so contest time. Well, I guess contest or giveaway time. Esco Black shift knob to whoever gets the question right. So the question is, okay, first I'm gonna say Alexandra never has gas or wiper fluid. Every time I drive the car, either one. Right now she has no wiper fluid. What video did I fill up her wiper fluid last? You gotta just comment the title of the video. Whoever does that first, you'll get a free, pretty much $100 shift knob for free, courtesy of Chris Lopes. And then we're gonna end off the video here too. Mr. Christopher Frade, thanks for coming by. It's been a while since we saw Frade. I wanna say thank you so much for watching, guys. The wheel setup looks absolutely amazing. Some adjustments are needed, but it looks so good. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe. Do it once. Do it right.
Do 3 times.
Later.
Ready, wait, I want to know what to say. Wait.
Okay, what's up? You want to be part of the video, no?
Or Danny.
Yeah.
Check out Chris Lopes.
There you go, Danny. You're gonna be in it. Next video at the end.
No, don't do that. Cut it.
Yeah, you're in it too bad now.